Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas, 2022 BMW X3. I gotta check the back here. Too many cars on the market anymore. M40i. M40i X3. Sorry, Tom. So, let's take a walk around this car. I gotta tell you, this thing is like perfect. Just like everything we do, but I gotta tell you, this paint is just so perfect on this thing. Unbelievable what German paint can do, but it looks fantastic. I mean, it's just so glossy. Did the ceramic coating in the back. After I'm done looking at this, I'll start telling you what I did. But full front, excuse me, Expel Ultimate Plus paint protection film, mirrors, full rockers. There's three panels to the rocker system that rolls up into the doors. And then we did a piece back here for loading. It comes down to right here, so you can't even see it. I mean, that's just how good we do. So let's take a walk around. Did some window tint on the front, window tint on the windshield. So let's take a good video here, because I'm going to send this to the owner and he's going to want to look at it. Excuse me. So I'm going to go a little bit slow around here. All right, so let's start off with the hood. So hood, full paint protection film. Absolutely perfect. Not a mark in it. Every edge is fully wrapped. It doesn't even look like it's there, and that's what I do. I make sure that all our edges get wrapped. So we wrap everything around here. Everything. All these little corners. The medallion, everything underneath it. No lines around it at all. I want to make it very professional and make it perfect. Paint perfection film. There you go, right there. I mean, look at that. Doesn't get any better than that, folks. And that's what we do. We want to make sure it's perfect. Everything is fantastic. Everything wrapped in. Headlights are done. Bumper's done. All that's wrapped in. All that's wrapped in. Come around to the rockers, or the fenders. We don't want to skip those guys. No lines up here. We see a lot of people that do the install, will leave a line right here. We'll leave a line right here. This is your A-pillar next to the windshield. No, man, we wrap that all the way around. Piece of cake. All this, piece of cake. Wrapping fully into when the door is open. Oh, it's locked. So we wrap all the way in there. All these fender flares fully wrapped in. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. That's it. Looking for the best job? You know where to go. Clear Brown, North Dallas. Everything is perfect. I mean, look at the shine. I mean, we did a nice paint correction on this. Now, keep in mind, when people say paint correction, I had a guy call me today thinking we were going to sand his paint and compound it down. Now, this thing just needed deconned, where we actually remove all the impurities from the paint from transit. And then we give it a nice polish with a really good product. And the machines that we use are the best in the industry. And there's no clear being removed from the car at all. Not at all. So everything is perfectly factory standards on this paint. Nothing was removed by way of polishing. So, and here's the back end. Everything just looking fantastic. Tom, I hope you're liking it. I know we got snow coming, so you won't be able to pick it up for a couple days. But everything looks super. Nothing wrong with that. So I'll get this video over to you, Tom. I'll put it on YouTube. I'll send you the link. And there it is. It'll sit right here. Probably till Saturday, maybe. Whatever it takes, doesn't matter. She's got her own spot. There it is, BMW X3. Full wrap in the front. Fender wells, trim, headlights, bumper, fenders, full rockers all the way back. So no feet will scratch that up and rocks from the road, with a bumper strip and a full 5-year ceramic coating. And on the inside, we ceramic coated all this piano black plastic. So we'll see how that holds up. It should be just fine. Nothing's going on crazy in here. And there you're looking through the windshield. That's with the 70%, blocking some good heat there. So there it is. Great car. Beautiful. Appreciate you guys watching. ClearBraNorthDallas.com, 214-414-3809, extension 1. I'm Brent. Have a great day.